guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited. We're going to be doing a full review and demo using this new kind of collection product. It's a limited edition product from Benefit Cosmetics for the holiday season, and it is their Jingle Brows collection. So it comes with 3 full-size products. This does go for $48 Canadian, but it's valued at $97. Like, I just think it's such a great deal. I remember when I first started getting into makeup and even started my channel and started reviewing products, it was like I wanted to review everything I could, but it can be really expensive. And I remember the holiday season was always the best time for me to grow my collection because you can get these holiday bundles that were such a bang for your buck, and also the deals that happen on Black Friday and Boxing Day were things that I always took advantage of, especially when they're full-size products. Like, that's when you know it's really good. All right, so let's just get right into it. As I mentioned, this product does come with 3 full-size Benefit Brow products, which is the full-size Gimme Brow, the full-size Highbrow Duo Pencil, and then the Precisely My Brow Pencil. And if you know that I love the Benefit Brow products, specifically their pencil, I love, but I've only tried their Goof Proof pencil. So this is another pencil. Very excited. I ended up getting the shade 3 Light Brown. There's only 3 Light Brown and 5 Deep, and I'm usually 4. So I felt like 5 Deep was gonna just look too much. So we'll try 3 and see how it works. I do have other products that if I need to, but it really is just for the review, right? And I mean, the little container it comes in is so stinking cute. It's like a tin. You could keep this for the holidays, put cookies in if you like to bake. I can't bake. I also can't open this. All right, we're going to start off with the Precisely My Brow Pencil. Really, really slim pencil. It comes with a very pointed tip and then a spoolie on the other side. So I just wanted to show in comparison to Goof Proof, just so you can see the thickness. So right away, the main kind of difference I would say is in the actual pencil. So you can see on this side here, this one, that is the Goof Proof. So you can see it's very much so an angled and thicker pencil, whereas this one here, the Precisely My Brow Pencil, is a lot more thin because it's gonna give you, like the name says, a much more precise draw. The spoolies look literally identical, except for my Goof Proof one is very, very used. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just spoolie up my brow hairs. I find that just like right away makes such a difference once you kind of comb through my brows. I had a comment on a recent video if I could post my kind of brow routine. I don't really have one. I kind of just wing it. So I always start at the top near the wing. That's where I honestly need the most help, I would say. Like, I have the lack of brow hairs. Look at that. That's actually really, really nice. I'm not sure if you can really see. I hope you can. Extend the wing just ever slightly. I'm very lucky, and I know I say this in every single brow video. I have very full brows. So I know it can kind of make it a little bit difficult to see during my reviews, but for all my lady friends that have more full brows, I hope you can relate to this. Once I get the tail mostly done, I then go into the inner corner section, which is not bad, but it's a little sparse. So I basically just go upward motions, mimic brow hairs, and fill in as I think I need. I honestly am really into this shade. I find sometimes if you go like a lighter shade, like a light brown, even though I clearly have dark hair, it just looks so much more natural, like you're not sharpieing on your brows. Okay, so one brow is good. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one now really quickly. This is my good brow. Okay, pencil done. So a little comment about the pencil. I thought it was super creamy and easy to use. I actually liked how precise it was because it allows you to really control where the product is gonna go. Color-wise, I actually really liked it. I know I mentioned I usually go for 4. That's what shade my Goof Proof pencil is in, and I love that shade. I think that is probably the best shade for me, but going up to the 3 was not a problem. So if you are somebody who is typically a 4 and don't want to go any darker, but you want this kit, I recommend going for the 3 light brown. It will be light, but it really blends into your brow really nicely and just gives you a super natural look. So if you're looking for a natural look, definitely go for that. If you're looking for something a little bit more kind of dramatic and full coverage type of brow, then possibly look to go for the 5. So I'm gonna go in with this guy here. This is the Highbrow Duo Pencil. So there's 2 shades on this. There's Linen Pink and Soft Gold. All right, so don't mind the pink on my hand. That is a blush. I always dab it on the back of my hand before applying to my face. But anyways, so this is Linen Pink and this is Soft Gold. As you can see, Soft Gold has a lot more sheen to it, but Linen Pink is not, I wouldn't say it's like completely matte. It's got a little bit of something. It's got a little bit of dimension to it. So they're so creamy. So just a warning, this is how creamy they are. This was from swatching it on the back of my hand. Obviously I went a little bit too rough and I actually smushed the pencil. So just a warning, because they are super creamy, a little pressure goes a long way. So this is to really help clean up your brow. I'm gonna go in with Linen Pink a little bit and just add that along the bottom of my brow. And then I'm gonna go in with just a little shader brush and just tap it in. This is going to really lift and elongate your brow and just make it look super clean and sharp. Look at that. Nice. Yeah, gonna do a little bit on this brow. You'll probably notice I don't bring it underneath the front part of my brow. I just don't like that look. So do as you please. I like to just put it on the body and tail and then just puff. That blends so nicely as well. Really pretty, nice pop of highlight. I'm going to try Soft Gold as well, but I'm going to do it on the inner corners of my eye to give a nice pop there. Super nice. Love. Oh, I really like that product. That's my first time ever trying that product. I really like it. Super creamy, super pigmented, and very easy to blend out. So not hard to work with whatsoever. I also think this could be pretty versatile. So yeah, it is made for your brow, but honestly, I feel like the Soft Gold would be a really pretty highlight on your cheekbones and nose. Like, I just think that would look really gorgeous. And I feel like you could even maybe layer this on your eyelid and then maybe pack on a lid color afterwards to kind of just really make it pop. So very excited to play with this a little bit more, but so far really like it. Very creamy, to the point where be very like light-handed with it because you don't want to break the pencil. Last but not least is the Gimme Brow. This is one of my favorite brow products I've used for years and years. I love this, and I will be honest, like my daily makeup routine for brows is just Gimme Brow. I go in with 2 coats of it, and I find since I have pretty full brows, this goes such a long way. So typically I do use the shade 4, so we'll try 3 today just because that's what we have on our eyes, but this is just a really awesome product. So it's a volumizing gel, which basically means it clings, the product like clings onto your brow hairs. So it's gonna set them in place, but it's also gives them a bit more thickness. And the reason why I love this product so much is because it's a gel, but it has color to it. So you can use this to like kind of move your brows into place that you want. So I kind of brush them up and around. I don't do like the fanned up brows. I don't think it looks good on me whatsoever. But like, I just find it really takes your brow to the next level, and it stays good. Like, your brows are not gonna budge. So yeah, as I mentioned, the Gimme Brow product has been one of my holy grail brow products for years and years and years. I remember when I first started loving it, it like quickly, soon after that, got discontinued in Canada, and now it is like fully available again. So I'm so happy about that because it's really one of the best brow products I've ever used. So yeah. Anyways, that is going to wrap up this review and demo using the Jingle Brow bundle from Benefit Cosmetics. I'm really pleased with it. I think this is honestly such a great deal. Like, if you are a brow gal or you're looking to get like a complete full like start to finish brow set, this one is so good. Or if you're looking for some good gift ideas, this is another really awesome one. So again, it is available at Sephora for $48 Canadian, but it is valued at $97. So I feel like it's such a good deal. Anyway, I definitely give all three of these products 2 thumbs up. Some of them I've used before, some of them were new to me, but honestly, they're all really good and I can see myself using these. I mean, some of the products I already do use every day. So definitely will be carrying these with me forward. Anyways, guys, that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and of course, I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.